Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am in Costa Rica. I am sitting in my hotel room. I've just woken up. I've just got changed and gathering the thoughts together. But I thought, may as well just start this off right here, right now, like Fat Boy Slim. But yeah, so today's the first day of the stem cell treatment that I'm going to be receiving and documenting this little journey. So this is a great little new adventure. I've never been to Costa Rica before. There's not much going on out from this kind of view from the hotel room, but it's looking very jungly out there. And yeah, so I have equipped myself with the finest threads of the day. Young LA, no worries. I've got just one suitcase full of swag, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's see how this day goes. I'm gonna go there for some breakfast now. Might try and get a little walk in. I got a bit sunburned at the beach the other day, but that's okay. And yeah, excited. I'll talk to you guys soon. Check in here later. Hello, welcome to Costa Rica, Torre, which means the good life. I'm here with my friend and CEO, Tim, Celebration Wellness, and he's here to help me on my recovery journey with stem cell research and therapy. Very excited to be here. And Tim, thank you so much, first of all, for having me, for all the help and the treatment that you've been giving me. I've got my notebook because I'm here to learn, absorb everything, share with you, share with the world what the effects and the benefits that stem cell treatment can give you and do for yourself. And as you would say in good Costa Rican fashion,
sorry about the weather. Another beautiful day in Costa Rica. We're very happy to have you here. We're on the healing journey with you, and we're going to get you better physically, mentally, and as I said, this is the comeback, everybody, of our good friend. Welcome.
Yeah,
thank you, buddy.
Thanks so much.
Calum and I wanted to show you his journey to this. We wanted to show you our offices. We're located in the nicest commercial center in Costa Rica. It's called Avenida Escazú. Calum, tell them a little bit about your hotel, your journey here, the people, everything.
It's been absolutely amazing. This is the first time in Costa Rica, and I'm arriving. I'm going to pick up at the airport, taken out for a beautiful Lebanese dinner. The food here is amazing. The food is fresh. The water, the people. It's just a place of like tranquility and peace. So I'm excited to be here. And the hotel I'm staying at is the Marriott AC, which is right directly across the road from the Stem Cell Wellness Centre, which is right here. Come inside with it.
Here's our lobby. We like to have flowers. We like to welcome him. And the thing that we wanted to do, everyone, is we wanted to create a spa-like atmosphere, so you're not coming into like a doctor's office, okay? Calum's been here for 2 days. He's been to treatments. Tell them about, first of all, Costa Rica. It's very safe, correct?
Yes. Oh my goodness, it is very safe. It's quiet. It's peaceful. The streets aren't bustling and noisy. They're, wonderful people. The scenery, the jungle, it's beautiful. And the whole experience so far, I've been here for 2 days, 48 hours, and I don't want to leave. Like, you come in, it's the whole experience. It's not like you're coming to a clinic to get treated or a hospital. You're coming, it's still like you're part of a club. They treat you with so much care and love, and this is really the best place that you can come for all sorts of healing, starting with yourself, your head, your body. So I'm very excited. This is a new experience for me, and this is coming straight from the horse's mouth to you. So enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to learning and getting better.
Sure. Come on in, everybody. Come on in.
Yes.
Here's our beautiful waiting room. Again, spa-like atmosphere. We wanted it to be very comfortable because families will be staying here. If you're coming down with your family, you could be in here 2 or 3 hours. We have 6,000 channels on our TV. We have coffee machines, refreshments, couches, everything. So we just wanted a welcoming family environment for all the people coming to see and get treated with us.
Okay, I'm at the Celebration Wellness Centre, and we have the medical procedure consent form. I'm filling it out now, and then we get started.
And everyone, we wanted to introduce you to our stars of our show. This is Nurse Carol, and that's Dr. Mariella, our medical director. And they are a part of Calum's healing journey.
These girls will be taking care of you as well. So they are awesome. They're super lovely, friendly, and they will take care of all of your needs, explain everything. They've been teaching me a lot since I've been here. So yeah, it's like I said, you don't want to leave when you come here.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. This is the healing room. I mean, look at this. You have a beautiful, comfortable chair, beautiful atmosphere. They play with meditation music in the background. You can hear the jungle and stuff. Look, you can see the jungle from here. So it's incredible views. You cannot come to this place and not feel better, not feel like you're doing your body a favor, healing.
We're going to document his healing journey, okay? He's already started it, and it's going to get better over time, because we're here to tell you, we can help you with whatever you're dealing with, okay? But also, we want to be straight with you too. This is going to be a healing over time process. So this is not next day you're going to be cured. This is a healing over time, but you will feel good results, and we will get you on the path to getting wellness and your life back and a better quality of life.
Exactly. This is day one, week one of the journey of healing. So it's not something that happens overnight or in a week. You have to dedicate yourself over a period of time to get the absolute best treatment and results from the stem cells. But this is what I was thinking. I was coming in here and they just like inject you with stem cells and that's it. No, they prepare your body. They give you, like they prime your body first so that it is ready for optimized results and receiving the best 100% benefits from the stem cells. First of all, you start here, you come 9 a.m. I enter the hyperbaric chamber, which is like a little capsule, right? It's a little tube and you put the oxygen mask on, and from the first thing that I remember is it helps to oxygenate the blood. What else?
It does.
Yeah.
It helps a lot with inflammation, and it helps with the regeneration of tissue. So whenever there's inflammation, injuries, or even after surgery, it's really, really good for you to the recovery of that injury.
Right. So that's the first thing. Secondly, there's the IV treatment. And it's very specific how they do it. It's not just, everything is completely
Personalized.
Yes, exactly. And it's starting with they give you IV drip of vitamin C. And the one part that I remembered, I didn't write all the notes, was that it's vitamin C is a very fragile, delicate vitamin. It can only come in by itself because it can denature and change. It's very fragile. And then there's 3 others, I think: vitamin B, magnesium, and procaine neurotherapy. Guys, please explain a little bit of why we take vitamin B, magnesium, and procaine.
Let me say something real quick.
Yeah.
We do stuff differently, and what Calum is saying is correct. What we have here is we have real science that will get you real results, okay? And we do something different than a lot of other people do. We use our stem cells, and we have the best in the world in the science that we use, but we also do neural therapies. And that really helps for inflammation and pain. Dr. Mary's an expert in this, and Dr. Mariella, we call her Dr. Mary. Why don't you explain to them a little bit what procaine is and how it can help and enhance the stem cell procedures that we do?
Yes, well, we use the procaine not as a local anesthetic, which is the nature of the medication, but as a neural therapeutic, which helps with the recovery of tissues, helps with inflammation, and it helps with pain. It actually helps as well with circulation and control of allergies. So what we do is we start by preparing the tissue and the body to receive the stem cells. So the environment in your body will be even better, like at its best, to receive the stem cells, so they will work even better than if we don't prepare your body for that.
Right. That's exact. So this is what I was getting to. So there's all these steps that we take. After that, we have some lunch, break for lunch, and then the anti-allergic. Was it that makes you feel sleep? Yes. So there's one more IV before the stem cells, which helps. It can make you feel sleepy as a side effect, but it is also just to, what is it?
Just try to avoid any kind of allergy.
To avoid allergies, and then the magic begins. Okay, so yesterday I was injected with 42 million stem cells, which I think is on a larger amount because Again, every individual is going to be different. Of course, my story is unique to me. I've had different injuries and surgeries that have required additional stem cells and help. So everyone's going to be different. They started with 42 million and into intravascular and also localized. So right in my spine, I have like a 7 or 8 inch scar, and they do 6 shots just to little pinch. It's painless, nothing. It's like not even a bee sting, nothing. So that they take it, so it numbs it, and then 6 shots again with all the stem cells. So it is completely painless. You feel great. You watch the TV, you kick back, you heal. It's wonderful. They bring you cookies and snack bars. Wonderful experience so far. And the way that I can relate to it again, it's like this kind of healing. It's like I applied this kind of knowledge to my bodybuilding. Okay. For healing. This is how I would explain it. Let's say you go to the gym, you want to grow muscles, you want to get bigger, and you hear, oh, protein, it's good for the body. I'm going to have protein shake to try and grow and develop my muscles. Well, that's only going to get you so far. But if you take pre-workout, BCAAs, glutamine, beta-alanine, protein, casein, all of the other supplements, your results are going to be tenfold. Same as the stem cells. You come and you just get stem cells, probably not the best. That you come here, you get all these little treatments first, the IVs, the hyperbaric chamber, the neurotherapy. You take all of those, your results are going to be magnified tenfold, and you do it over a course of time. It doesn't happen overnight. You have to come back. It's like training at the gym. You go for 6 months, you go for a year, the results get better. So you come once, it's great. I already feel less pain and more energized. I feel good. This is just after 2 days. Then there's going to be a week, and then we see again after 6 weeks. So it's progress. Every time you come, this is going to be, it's a journey. So very excited to learn and share this with you.
We're on the journey. We're honored to have you here. Calum is a wonderful person. Didn't know how famous he was until he got here and everybody started noticing him, but we're very honored to have you here. And what he said is true. When you go over the stem cell amounts, and then we view it as personalized medicine. Like you said, everybody's body's different, and that's the way we view this. So we look at every case individually, and that's how we put together our protocols. But your healing journey started. We're excited that you're here. We're going to be with you the whole way, my friend. And as I said, this is the comeback of the great Calum von Moger.
Thank you so much. Yes, thank you all. It's been an honor, and really, it's just this is the place you need to come to if you are considering or wanting to get any stem cell treatment. Check out Celebration Wellness. Tim is the best guy you'll ever speak to. The staff are amazing, beautiful staff, very knowledgeable. They'll help you do it all. So far we've got 1, 2, 3 scars on the bicep. On my right arm that have been treated with the protein therapy, it's going very well. Not much pain at all, not much discomfort.
That's kind of numb a little bit.
Yeah, because it's in the scar, there's not much feeling, it's quite, it's really, you don't feel a lot of it at all. It's good. This is the main one. Yeah.
It's a bigger.
Yeah, this is the.
So you see how it just fills in?
Yeah, this is the main problem in this arm, I think, as well. The problems. That's the main thing.
Yeah. It pops up.
Looks kind of cool, I think. It's freaky art, huh? Yeah, if you ask me. Oh, and there is actually one more thing, is there? Oh, it's the small.
So here's a small one, and then this one.
Oh, and that long suck up the top there. Yeah, fascinating stuff. It's a long one. What are the benefits that I could look forward to receiving this treatment from the protein neurotherapy?
Well, a lot of your cells and tissue there in your scars has no circulation, the nerves are damaged, and there's a lot of fibrosis there.
Yes.
So we're trying to help all of that tissue that is injured.
Right. And what are other, for example, what are other examples of patients that you would give this kind of treatment, the protein neurotherapy?
Well, chronic pain.
Yep.
It helps a lot.
Yep.
Migraines.
Yep.
Fibromyalgia.
Yep.
surgeries to help
Surgeries.
them recover
Yeah.
from the
So
surgery.
lots of different.
We can,
yeah,
yes,
there's a lot of
we can treat a lot of different.
directly. Yeah. Great. Okay, the first part is done. Now, Dr. Mariela's going to work on my nerves. And this is going to be very interesting. Yeah, yeah, I know. Don't worry about that. This will be hard to penetrate in the palm. The skin would be so tough to inject in there, don't you think? I mean, you could try, but I think you'd feel, I don't know. I'm nervous because the hands have a lot, I feel like the hands have a lot of feeling in them, you know?
Yes, we can do that. It should be great.
Oh,
It would be great.
whatever
but
you want.
just
You know what? You're the doctor.
if you want to do
I'm
it, we
putting,
can do it.
I'm putting my faith in this treatment, so we can get it.
Here, just a breathe.
It's like acupuncture. Perfect.
Yeah,
No
not
worries.
that bad, right?
Yeah, nothing. Didn't even feel a tickle.
Your hand can feel numbed after this.
Okay. Yeah.
We're gonna do another one here.
Yeah. Amazing. Science is amazing. Medical science, incredible. It's all like I find it fascinating. Like it's the human body, the technology, the advancements, all the research and everything. So we've got another one in here. Yeah. Brilliant. That was such a simple procedure. I mean, it looks, intense, but it's really not that bad at all. You obviously, if you're not good with needles, it might be difficult. Maybe put a blindfold on. But it was that was really not bad at all. Not painful. It's all done, and yeah, thank you. So, Mariela made a great point. She said, look how well the circulation has been activated. Look at all the veins that have procured the scars. It's fascinating stuff. So we're doing the palm. This one's not going to be fun, but it's going to be important. It's going to
It's an important one, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready? No.
Yes. Let's go. Okay.
Let's go. Go.
Yeah. It's alright. It's okay.
You're doing so well.
That was it. Oh,
That was it.
yeah, I can feel the numb, oh no, that's good, nothing. No worries. It's gonna be okay. All right, the next step is we're gonna be working on my knee surgery, my knee scar where I tore my quadricep 6 years ago, I think it was. So we're gonna now do the knee and we'll take you through this, have a look. Like I'm getting the treatment and doing the video work myself. It's good.
Let me know if you need me to stop.
Well, no, it's good. I'm strong.
You are definitely.
Yep, definitely. Didn't feel that it's good. It's quite intense, but yeah, I'm good.
Almost ready.
Mm-hmm.
One more.
Mm-hmm.
And more.
Good. There we go. Okay, so we've just finished the first procedure, and I have a question: is how often would you? Okay, so I've done the first treatment, and already I can feel the circulation coming back. It's like the arm is getting woken up. How often, or would you recommend that someone would come back and get additional treatments?
It depends. We can do it even every other day.
Yeah.
But actually what I say is come back whenever you feel like you need it.
Yeah,
I cannot
okay.
tell you come
There you go.
like the next month or the next week, and probably you're just gonna feel well and you're not gonna need it the next week.
So probably it's going to be different for everyone.
Yes.
Everyone's got different cases, different courses for different horses, as
Yeah.
you say. So, you know, for me, I'm going to see how this goes, and then, yeah, you know, I guess come back. If it feels like it's like feeling numb or a bit tingly, you can get additional treatments. However, some people, maybe it works the first time. No worries.
Exactly. I've had patients that we thought they were gonna need to come like I don't know, a month after,
Yeah.
and they didn't need it after.
Additional
Just
treatments.
one treatment, and that was all.
One
for
fixed
hip
wonder.
pain or so. Yes, it depends on the patient. So
Yeah.
I cannot tell you when.
Yeah. Well, definitely worth the try. Definitely, if you're experiencing numbness, pain, injuries, all these sort of things, and you're miserable. And again, like I've suffered depression, anxiety because of my injuries, because of these things that I haven't treated in the past. I have had not just like physical like trauma, but it's a psychological thing. So I'm already just mentally feeling happy that I'm doing something to help myself, and that there's a chance that I'm going to be from here healing, being able to get back into the gym, being able to get back to daily routines, to life, feeling good and confident about myself. So I'm definitely recommending this for anyone. You have to have an open mind to receive the help. You have to go out and seek the help. Isn't that right? Yes.
Really good.
Good.
Here, but let me see. This part here,
Yeah.
it's like there's more inflammation than in this part. I don't know if
Yeah.
probably here is more
Yeah.
noticeable, and here.
Right.
Okay, so now I'm in the hyperbaric chamber. This is where you come to get your blood oxygenated. They increase the pressure in here, and it's quite intense, but I just have a little nap for about an hour. So put the oxygen mask on. Feels like you're gonna take off in an airplane. Just relax. That was a good second day with the treatment. It's going really well. The scars look quite interesting actually with the protein therapy. They're all kind of lit up at the moment, but it's interesting because I do feel a little bit less tingles down to my fingertips, which is good. Now I'm just waiting for the owner Tim and his good friend Sydney. Going to get some dinner. Last night we had Lebanese, or was it Argentinian? Can't remember. So I'm not sure what they got in store. I think it's some Spanish food tonight, which would be great. But yeah, it's a really, really nice place here. Beautiful area. Nice and chill. Here they are. Excellent. There they are. There he is. The man, Sydney.
How you doing,
Say hi to the vlog. It's going to be on the YouTube channel in a few weeks.
we'd love to have this guy.
And there's Tim. All right. What are we getting for dinner? How's the biceps feeling?
Biceps are good.
Good. Yeah.
Calum's my new trainer. I'm doing amazing. I'll tell you, he's awesome. Tonight we're gonna have Spanish tapas.
Yeah, I guess that.
Maybe a little sangria and a little maybe gin, and that's it. And then we're working out tomorrow.
Yeah,
I can already
excellent.
feel it.
Oh, excellent. But see, we're pumped. This place is awesome. The most chill town you will ever see. Stopped on the side of the road to get some fresh strawberries. Sydney's gonna go pick some fresh ones. Are they any good? Oh, it's alright.
Okay.
Calum, there we are. We'll try these. Alright.
Look at them.
Oh wow. These are like fresh, juicy, sweet strawberries. Not like the ones that you get
So good.
at the supermarket.
So
And they're like,
Right.
hey, don't waste them, don't drop them.
Oh, my problem.
Are those strawberries good or what?
Nico, watch this.
Juicy.
Wow. Fresh, organic.
Yeah. I'm gonna jump out and try some strawberry wine, which I've never heard of. It's an interesting concept. Hola. You speak English? No, English, it's alright.
Say hi to the camera. Oh, that's good. Yeah, all right.
This is sparkling. It's like a champagne.
Oh, okay, it's bubbles, yeah. So, and you make this homemade, homegrown?
Yes. I make with strawberries.
Wow, that's good. That's really a bit like sangria.
Try.
Let's try it.
Reminds me of sangria. It's
Strawberry
like a
wine,
fruity
baby.
wine,
Let's try it.
Oh, that's good.
Una picture. Palmetto is more traditional in Costa Rica.
Okay, all right. What's it called?
Palmetto is more traditional in Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Palmetto with spices.
Spices, yeah.
Gouda and Gouda with pepper. Do you like that?
Oh, it's good. Spices.
I'll take later.
This is the best food. It's like fresh, homegrown, homemade, not processed. It's like straight. It's not refined. It's like fresh as cheese, fresh as fruit. Like, it's the healthiest way of living by far. Wow, that's good.
Okay.
It's good.
That's how much he likes the strawberries.
For the customers, you bring the customers in, you get them, huh? Maximus, you're doing a good job, huh? You have a beautiful voice. You're a good boy. Yes, you are a good boy. So we've just pulled over on the side of the road on the descent down from the volcano. There's a little trout farm here and a restaurant just up here. So we catch a little trout and then they clean it up here and then go and sit down and eat it. Fresh fish.
We gotta go to the current. Here we are, baby.
Oh,
There it is right there.
That's the trout
There's his
food.
fishing pole.
Oh, that's the
it.
fishing pole, just a hand line. We got old school. Winding it back a little bit. Nice and
Current,
simple.
go right here with the current.
Great place.
Explain it.
Yeah.
So we're here. This is Tim, CEO of Celebration Wellness,
Yeah.
with Calum von Moger.
Behind the camera.
I call him Conan sometimes, or Kellen, but I know the name now. We're fishing for trout. He just caught one. My Aussie outdoorsman's gonna get another one. I can't wait. There it is. Minute 40.
There it is, look at that. Off the
Right
spinner.
there.
We keep this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. That's it.
No, it's not.
Fresh trout. Beautiful. But you gotta, it's a bit cruel, but it's better to kill it quickly so it doesn't suffer. You got something to bang it on the head with? Huh? Oh. Yeah. Filet, perfect. There it is. Fresh. The freshest trout you'll get. Beautiful. Last one. So, fishing is done. We've got 30 little kippers, and I'm gonna go and try and befriend that sheep over there. Hopefully it doesn't headbutt me or do anything crazy. What's up, mate? You're a very interesting looking sheep. Look at you. Let's flip this camera. G'day, how you going? You alright or what? Are you friendly? You alright? Yeah, you're alright. Hey? You're a very pretty looking sheep. That wool, so thick. Hello, handsome guy. Does that feel alright? What's your name? You have a name? I'd probably call you Henry, I think. You look like a Henry. What a beautiful little sheep. Hey? Look at the size of those gahungas. Some big bollocks on Henry. Mate, you take it easy. Very friendly. Big wolf.
What's his name, huh?
Henry the third.
Henry the Third.
Henry the third. Look at the size of his got bollocks down.
Get some lime on it. Get some lime on it.
Some vegetables, fresh trout, straight out of the lake, straight on the plate. No worries. Really? Oh, wow. That is amazing. Really good. That is the best trout. I don't know how to cook it, but they do it very well here. Very well. Right, the sauce now, what is it?
Hey, one question for Calum. Who's the best tour guide out there you've ever met? Thank you.
Hit him up, talk to Tim. He'll sort you out.
Come on now.
Yeah. So down here at Manuel Antonio Beach, beautiful vibes everywhere, good atmosphere. People selling fruit, love bracelets. You got the families, all the kids. I'm gonna go out, check out this, feel the water, get dunk my toes in, maybe just dive in. I think just get a
And
plunge.
guys ask him, he just stuck his feet in freezing water, right?
Yeah,
It's like a bathtub. It's 80-degree water down here. It's
Yeah.
incredible. It's like you're walking into a jacuzzi.
exactly.
So how is the traveling going on in Costa Rica now?
Good, let's get in the water. Let's
All right,
come on.
I will go in the water. Enjoy.
Yeah, let's go in the water. Let's get our feet back there. All right, let's go back. Beautiful sunset. Almost looks like a painting. So many different contrasting colours. Yeah, look at that. Blue sky, grey sky, orange cloud. Alright, so we're going to go see the Buddha on the top of this trail. How many kilometres?
Buddha is
9 kilometres. 9 kilometres to hike to it.
It's 9 kilometers in total, or you can do 5 kilometers and it takes 2 hours and a half.
Holy moly, how are we feeling?
I can do it.
To get to the Buddha, it's 1 hour and a half, and then to get out of the Buddha.
Not that. No. We're definitely not going to the hands. You know, maybe the Buddha will stick one of those fingers in your ass. That's not, we don't want that.
We don't want the hand. The hand is a no. My observation so far is the trail, the hiking trail is 9 kilometres by the looks of it. Water is what, 2 kilometres? The hand, fuck the hand. We don't want the hand. Screw the hand, that's 5 kilometres away.
Yeah. What a beautiful day today.
Yeah, beautiful day. Look how
Yeah, the temperature.
jungle. On the hike right now, hiking to the Buddha with Tim and Sydney. It's beautiful. You can pass all these little coffee plants that they're growing coffee beans for harvesting later. Hike is pretty, what is it? It's 2.5 kilometers. I think we've done about halfway. But the views are amazing. The weather's, sorry about the weather, but it's perfect. It's perfect. The weather can't be beat. So I'm gonna go up to the top of this little section, and then hopefully we see the Buddha, big statue of Buddha. You know, I don't know a lot about Buddhism. I know a little bit, but I feel like all different teachings have their place and have helped others, and as long as their faith aligns with good and not for evil, and it keeps people on the right path, doesn't lead them astray, and if they can, everyone's going to relate with something. So I know there are some great teachings from Buddha that I'm going to have to brush up on again. Just wholesome. You know, I think I have a lot of it is like the karma side of things is what I resonate the most with. The more good you put out there, the more good comes back. You put out bad stuff, it comes back and gets you. You don't want that. I don't want that. No one wants that. Only the invisible enemy. That's what he wants. So
down the path and just continue on. And heck, you know, it all starts with your mind, freeing your mind of anything that is negative. You know, look at me, I've had multiple surgeries now, my back, my arm, my knee, painful things that, you know, would deter most people from getting out and being active and going to the gym and, you know, being healthy. But here I am, still going. Sometimes I don't know why, but I do know why. Because if you stop, there's nothing there for you. But it all starts with freeing the limitations in your mind, being open to receive help, and surrounding yourself with other people that way, whether it be entrepreneurship, spirituality, brotherhood, family, relationships, as long as they bring you good and peace and productivity and don't take away your hope or your joy. But anyway, that's enough for me. Back to the hike. Okay, getting there. We've walked zigzags up this heightless mountain. So hopefully there's gonna be the top soon. There's Tim down there. Don't know where Sydney is. But Sled Shady, where are you? All right. I think 1 more kilometre and we should be at the top. We'll see. As Tim just pointed out this sign, which translates to, I think it is prohibited fumes and pesticides and sprays, so they don't use any, like, you know, chemicals or pesticides for the coffee plants. It's all natural. Here it is, the Buddha. We made it. Giant Buddha in the side of the mountains with the coffee plants everywhere. It's awesome. You got fresh water. Very clean actually, you're right. Refreshing. Okay. So as well, it's time to do one more check-in. It's the last day here in Costa Rica, in Escazú. I had the stem cells this morning, and yeah, it's a great feeling once you finish. Basically, they give you an anti-allergen and anti-inflammatory drip before the stem cells go in, just as a protocol, you know, for just to be safe. And then received, I think it was 62.3 million stem cells or something. So overall, about 100 million stem cells for me this trip. And I can tell you, after 6 days of being here, I feel so much more clarity. I feel more energized. I feel general well-being has just improved a lot, and it's not. It's got to do with, I think, you know, the whole package. It hasn't just been stem cells. It's been the protein neurotherapy, the you know, the drips, the vitamins, the hyperbacterial. There's the whole thing they incorporate into just healing and generally helping, you know, you overcome your obstacles. And this has been such a huge move for me because I've almost given up on options on how I can heal myself. And for me, it came out of perfect timing. You know, I wanted to find how, we all want to know how we can look after our bodies and heal and improve. And, you know, this stem cell technology is something else, and it's real. And I'm excited to continue to share this recovery journey, the path of healing. Again, it's something that you have to dedicate yourself to. It's not like a magic bullet where you just take one hit and you're fixed. I mean, it might be for some people. I doubt that's going to be the case for me because, you know, I've had quite a lot of significant injuries in the past.
So my spine, my knee, my arm. But look, it's been an amazing experience. The people here are wonderful. They've done, you know, Tim Kapatic, he's the owner, and he has done an incredible job in finding the staff to help you, that make you feel very welcome, very hospitable. So I can't recommend this enough for you. Look, there's so much they can do for you with diseases. There's so many different ailments and illnesses, and you know, it's like neurological disorders, not just like physical, but a lot of like problems, like they fix people with Crohn's disease, Parkinson's, all sorts of things. He was telling me, I can't quote them all right now, but if you're serious about healing yourself, then definitely consider this. And if you are interested, please reach out to myself or go check out Celebration Wellness. That's where you got to go. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you guys soon.